Hey there again, and welcome back here on the channel. I'm trying to do more content, trying to shoot more because actually I got a lot of free time now. I quit my job. I was working. I was shooting videos and content for the channel and working for TV and stuff. You know, I didn't really feel doing it because I don't like it when I have to be in a certain kind of my life was kind of framed into what I was doing, and I don't really like it. So I had to change. I flipped the pancake, just as I flipped everything, and now I go back into music again, and I'm gonna do that. As I gave up my work, I just got a message from my agent, and he said like, there's something for you, you gotta check out. And then okay, so I did, and I'm gonna be on the Danube for a while. It's pretty sweet. I only work 5 days a month, and this is great. It's a whole lot of freedom. So what are we going to talk about today? That's gonna be equipment. So right now I'm back in music again. I'd like to show you what I'm carrying in my little blue case. So let's check it out. So actually what's going on? That's my little blue box, and this is all the stuff I'm bringing with me. In some places, of course, I have to bring, you know, full equipment. Not every place has its own, you know, piano and stuff, and even sound. So you gotta bring your sound equipment as well, a few speakers and stuff. But right now, I'm just gonna show you what I'm taking with myself to the bar, where there's a piano. They have all kind of speakers and things, so I can just connect my own stuff to it, and I can start my show. Let's open the box. First, and I think my most precious thing in my equipment, it's my iPad. So this iPad really contains everything I have in music, I guess. So I have my lyrics there, chords, music sheets. For me, it's really important. If you want to hear more about what I have on my iPad, let me know in the comments, and I can make a separate video about it. Sm58, standard stuff. You don't need better, I think. In these kind of places, you won't have a sound equipment there, which like can make so much difference in your voice. If you have a more expensive microphone than this, I think this is the best what you can basically get. Everybody can work with this, and it just suits somehow everybody. It's also very durable. I really recommend this microphone. Okay, this is my old microphone. This is a Beyerdynamics DG-V70D. I guess, yeah, I'm just gonna write it there, so you can find it. It was a pretty awesome microphone. I've been using it for such a long time. Unfortunately, somehow it's not giving the same performance as it did before, but I'm carrying it with me. You never know, you need an extra microphone, or you get a singer coming on the stage, or you have somebody who wants to sing a song. So many different possibilities. You just gotta have one more mic. Talking about an extra microphone, this is not really an extra microphone. This is the Rode M5. Only use one of them. I need to amplify somehow the piano's sound, so I just use it as a amplification, and I can just put it right behind this upright piano, and just sounds perfect. I play harmonica. This is not always, but because I play this, I love to use it whenever I have a chance. So I just keep it with me, and that's important for me, so why not? All the extra cables. I have XLR, I have for background music when I'm on break, you know, what I can connect to my iPad. What else? I have jacks, I have everything times two. You never know what you need and which one is gonna break, so always be ready. If you're gonna be short on the cable, that's just, you know, bad. That's just bad, and you don't want that. You really don't want that problem. Alright folks, I hope you had fun today, you enjoyed this content as well, and I hope you also got some valuable information. So if you like it, please hit the like button or just subscribe, and then hopefully I see you in the next episode. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below, and I hope I can answer it all. Bye.